and welcome back. So today I'll be doing butterfly locks for my client. She booked for shampoo service, shampoo, blow dry, and styling. So as you can see, her hair is short, but then short hair ain't a problem. Okay, we do that too. So I shampooed her hair, moisturized it, and I went ahead to start blow drying. But then it was causing her too much pain because she has a very sensitive scalp. So I just decided not to go ahead with it and just braid the hair down like that. So right now I'm working on the foundation of the hair, like of the locks, braiding her natural hair down to come back later and wrap the locks around it. I'm not using any extensions or anything, but if your client's hair is too short, then you want to add some kinky hair to those braids while you're doing it. So that's what the base looks like. It's all done and set for the locks. So I'm grabbing my kinky hair. Using my kinky hair, I'm going to separate, pull out the pieces. And the size of each piece is going to depend on how the size of the lock you want, or the client, what your client booked for. If you're going for the bigger size locks, then you're going to use more hair per lock. And if you're going in for smaller size locks, then you're going to use smaller size pieces of hair, to achieve that. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so I know that this part of the video is sped up, but then somewhere in front I'm going to slow it down so you can actually see what exactly I'm doing. This is my second client booking for this style. Yes, it is. So the first one I did were red, and they were long, like butt length. But my client here, she booked for medium, short, somewhere around the armpits. Yes, so that's the look we're going for today. Okay guys, so I'm just slowing down the video and zooming in so that you can have a better view of what I'm doing. So I like to start off by crocheting 2 pieces of kinky hair at the root of the braids. One thing you should know is that when you're doing the braiding of the client's natural hair, you want to do it loose at the root, because if it's tight, then when you're crocheting in the kinky pieces, it's going to hurt your client's head, and we don't want that. So make sure you're doing the braids to be loose at the roots so that the hair can pass through easily. So I'm struggling a little bit because I did my braids. The braids are not too tight, but then my client's head, her scalp is very sensitive to pain. So the slightest pain she could feel, and I was trying to avoid that, so I had to go in very slow, pull it through very gently. So right now I'm just going to go ahead to start wrapping. I don't start by creating the locks the butterflies right away. I start first by doing smooth wraps. I just wrap around the base of the hair smooth, no butterflies yet, just like how you're going to see me do. Just wrap it around a few times. There's no specific number of times, just wrap how to what length you feel comfortable. So I just wrap down a few times, and you have to make sure that you're covering your client's natural hair, because this is a protective style, and you want your client's hair to be protected, covered and kept safe in the locks. So I'm just making sure I wrap firm, but not too firm or not too tight to the point where it causes tension. So after wrapping a few times, I then start creating my butterflies, as you see me do right now. So it's pretty much self-explanatory. I'm going to let you watch and understand it. When you're doing the wrapping, it shouldn't be too tight. I didn't do my wraps too tight because I wanted the locks to be flexible. We're not going to dip this in hot water, please. We're not dipping this in hot water. So I just do it loose, but not too loose to the point where the hair doesn't stand. I wrap it firm, but not too tight to the point where it's just stiff. I hope that makes sense. So just keep wrapping, creating your butterflies as you go down, just repeating the same process over and over. If you didn't get that, you can rewind this video and watch it again. Yeah, so just keep doing that, creating, wrapping and creating the butterflies as you go down. Now whenever you run out of hair, all you have to do is just grab another piece of hair, place it where the other one got finished, and you continue wrapping. Keep wrapping and creating the butterflies as you go downwards. Now when you reach the desired length, all you have to do is wrap the remaining hair upwards. If the hair you have at the bottom is too much, you can cut some off, but leave some to wrap upwards. That's going to help to secure it so it doesn't, loosen or come undone. So you're going to see me do that. Just wrap upwards until you wrap all the hair. When you've wrapped all the hair, you just roll the hair between your palms to secure it, and that's it, you're done. So just keep doing that for the entire head, and that's how you create butterfly locks. I hope you are enjoying this video so far. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and click the bell beside the subscription button. That is going to turn on post notifications so that each time I upload a new content, you'll be notified. Also, please like this video, share this video, leave a comment down in the comment section. If you have any questions or suggestions or anything, just leave it down in the comments, or even just say hi so I know someone stopped by. Okay, so that's it for this style. You just keep doing that until you're done with the entire head. And when you're done, you don't dip it in hot water. All you need is mousse to apply on the head. You moisturize your client's scalp as well, do the edges, spray some sheen spray on it to give it some shine, and that's it. My client loved her hair and I'm happy that she did. So the links for our social medias are going to be down. You can check all the styles we've done, or if you want to book an appointment with NBLX. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.